Hey everyone, it's Kevin over at LeadAngel. Thanks for checking us out today. It's my goal over the course of this video to show you a little bit about our product and how we can help sales operations at your organization. You know, we are all using CRMs today, whether it be Salesforce, HubSpot, or another, and they are great at keeping track of customer data. However, there are some areas where the native processes within those CRMs are not very efficient. I talk with a lot of sales operation leaders, and they often express the same challenges. Duplicate data in their CRM is getting out of hand. Multiple sales reps are calling on the same lead, or new logo account execs are accidentally calling existing accounts. Routing leads to the right sales rep is a tedious and manual process. And sales reps are wasting time on non-revenue generating activities. LeadAngel integrates with your existing CRM to fix these problems by improving efficiency, reducing manual operations, and allowing for a better overall sales experience. We see this as a three-step process, the first of which is data cleanup, both during implementation and ongoing. Next is lead matching, to keep the data clean and place leads in the right spot. And finally, routing, sending the lead, contact, opportunity, or account to the right sales rep immediately. And of course, we follow it all up with robust reporting to audit your leads and performance. For the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the LeadAngel platform and how it works. Remember, this integrates with the CRM that you are already using, and it takes very little time and effort to set up. Realistically, you could be up and running in LeadAngel later today. Okay, let's jump into it. Everyone today is using a CRM to capture and organize customer data, but they're only as good as the data in them. And most organizations actually report issues with data quality, whether that's missing information, errors, or most common, duplicates. In fact, most companies average between 10 and 30% of duplicate records within their CRM, which causes a lot of wasted time by sales reps looking for the right info. It can also hurt brand reputation if reps are uninformed or if marketing campaigns send the wrong messaging. In fact, when you look at the lost time and damage to brand reputation or sales, bad data is estimated to cost $100 per bad record. LeadAngel takes on bad data in our first two steps, which is cleaning up the data already in your CRM, and then matching leads to accounts to keep it clean in the future. Let's look at an example. So I just got a new lead from Amazon, and I know we're already doing some business with them. So before I reach out, I want to get the background. So I go on into my Salesforce and I search for Amazon, and I see all sorts of information, a bunch of accounts, contacts, opportunities, and a bunch of these accounts even look like they're duplicates of each other. This is going to take me a lot of unnecessary time to go through these and find the relevant info that I need. So now I'm going to move over to LeadAngel, which is integrated with my Salesforce, to see how we can fix this. Here we are in LeadAngel, and we have what's called the duplicate account report. So when we pull up this report, it's actually going to pull up every account within your CRM records that it feels are duplicates or could be duplicates. So you can see here, for example, we have those Amazons, and on the next page, some more of the Amazons. And what we do during the implementation process is actually work through this list with you to figure out, all right, which ones are duplicates and should be merged or deleted, and which ones aren't or should be separate. Like, for example, if they're in other countries, like we have here with United Oil and Gas, maybe you want them to keep separate within your CRM. So that was a quick summary of the data cleanup, which will primarily be done during your implementation. To keep the data clean going forward, we'll move on to step 2, which is data matching. With LeadAngel, when a new lead comes in, we're going to compare that lead's information with existing accounts already in your CRM to see if there's a match. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to add a new lead directly here into our Salesforce. Your leads may come in from a website demo request or a contact us page or another landing page, but it would all work in the same way. The lead I'm going to add here is Larry Page from Alphabet, and the only information that Larry provided was his name, company, and email address. I'm going to click save, and now that the lead is entered our CRM, it's sent over to LeadAngel to be compared to existing accounts. I'll switch over to LeadAngel now and show how that works. This is the account matching setup page in LeadAngel, and we can see here our match rules. When a new lead comes in, LeadAngel will compare that new lead to the existing CRM accounts based on these match rules and assign the lead a score for each rule. Once the score reaches a certain threshold, the lead will be matched to that account. These rules are completely customizable, and the priority can be changed with a simple drag and drop, and custom rules can also be created. Now that our lead has been analyzed by LeadAngel, let's go back into the leads page on Salesforce to see how this worked. Here we are back on Larry's lead page, and we can see that even though Larry left out the incorporated part when he filled out his company name, he was still matched to Alphabet Incorporated, which you can see there where it says LeadAngel matched account name. We can also see that the fields on Larry's page that were left empty have now been filled in automatically based on the information we had in our Alphabet account. This helps give the sales reps a more complete picture of the lead right there from the lead page. Matching with LeadAngel is very smart. It'll work for typos, alternate names, missing information, subsidiaries, abbreviations, even stock tickers. With a 99.7% match rate, if the lead is coming from an existing account, LeadAngel will figure it out. LeadAngel is also able to group leads from the same account to make things more efficient for the sales team, and can combine duplicate leads if a lead comes in more than once. We can even auto-convert leads to contacts, opportunities, or accounts, and reverse match if an account is created after a lead has already come in. Now that we've covered steps 1 and 2 of the LeadAngel process, let's move on to step 3, routing, which is all about getting a new lead into the hands of the right sales rep as soon as possible. But first, let's see why this is such a critical part of the sales process. Speed to lead is how quickly our sales reps follow up with a new lead. This is a critical measure of success, as 78% of clients actually buy from the first company that responds to them. In fact, over 80% of consumers expect that when they reach out to a company, they'll get a response within 10 minutes. And calling a lead within 5 minutes is 21 times more effective than waiting 30 minutes or longer. With such a competitive marketplace, it's essential to have great speed to lead numbers. Let's see how LeadAngel can help you succeed on speed to lead with routing. Our previous steps of cleanup and matching help by making sure when a sales rep gets a lead, they have the complete picture of that lead in front of them and don't need to spend time digging through data. But what about the process of actually getting that lead into the right hands? Many companies are still routing leads to reps manually or attempting to write complex code in their CRM. Because of this, 2/3 of leads actually end up with the wrong sales rep. LeadAngel is able to fix this with our simple to use flowchart router, which is able to route leads, contacts, opportunities, or accounts. The lead router is completely customizable to your organization's needs. It's simple to create and will help you make it during implementation. Even better, it's very easy to update as changes happen, like when new sales team members come on board, when you change territories, or when you have new lead sources. Here's a basic example of a lead router, and you can see how easily you can visualize the path a lead follows with the flowchart. At each step of the way, there is a decision branch. For example, maybe whether a lead came in from a particular source or territory, and if that lead matches, it gets routed to the appropriate person. If the lead doesn't match that decision, it simply moves along in the flowchart to the next one. All of this is done as soon as that lead comes in, and the right sales rep will be notified of their new lead within minutes. The LeadAngel router is very powerful with many customizable options. Any object can be routed, and objects can be routed to individuals, round-robin teams, have a weighted distribution, or be added to queues. If a lead is not contacted within a certain time frame, escalations can be set up. And leads from the same accounts can be routed to the same account owner. Again, it's super easy to maintain and update as your organization changes. With the LeadAngel router, you'll be sure to supercharge your speed to lead. That was a real quick overview of LeadAngel. As a recap, some of the most important things to remember are: we integrate with your existing CRM. We help clean up the current data in your CRM during implementation. Leads will be matched with current accounts in your CRM, not only as the leads come in, but also ongoing as new accounts are created. You'll be able to auto-convert leads into contacts, opportunities, or accounts. Lead routing is fully customizable to fit the needs of your organization. And routing is done in near real time to a lead coming in. The lead will be in the right sales rep's hands within minutes. And remember, LeadAngel is very simple to set up and involves very little time commitment to get started. All of this is backed by our robust service team that will support you along the way and make sure that LeadAngel is working for you. Hopefully you've been able to see just how valuable LeadAngel can be to your sales operations. And if you're still not convinced, we're happy to get you set up and started for free because we are confident in the positive ROI that LeadAngel brings. I'm going to leave my contact info here on the last page. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or if you're ready to get started with LeadAngel. Thank you.